Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to check your USCIS case status in 2026. If you've applied for immigration or any related service and want updates, this is the fastest way to track it. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid fake pages. Now on the homepage, look for the Check Case Status option and click on it. This will take you directly to the case tracking page. Next, you will need your receipt number. This is a unique number you received after submitting your application. It usually starts with 3 letters followed by numbers. Now carefully enter your receipt number into the search box. Make sure there are no mistakes or extra spaces. After that, click the Check Status button. The system will process your request and show your latest case update. You will now see your current case status, such as received, in progress, request for evidence, or decision made. Each status tells you exactly what stage your application is in. If you don't see updates immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few days for new information to appear in the system. You can also create a USCIS account to track multiple cases and get email notifications for updates, which is very helpful. And that's it. Now you know how to check your USCIS case status quickly and easily online. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Alright,